In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 Realtek audio not working. If your speakers or headphones suddenly went silent, or certain apps have no sound, the issue is often tied to the Realtek audio device being disabled or using an outdated driver. We'll walk through a quick, reliable way to get your sound back using built-in Windows tools. Everything we do here is safe and reversible, and you don't need any extra downloads. We'll start in Device Manager, which is where Windows lists and manages all the hardware connected to your PC. To open it, head to the bottom left of your screen and right-click the Start button. In the menu that appears, click Device Manager. This opens a window with a tree of categories for your hardware, from displays to network adapters, and importantly, your audio. In that list, look for sound, video, and game controllers. Click the small arrow to the left of it to expand the category. This shows all the audio devices Windows currently recognizes. You should see an entry labeled Realtek Audio. That's the driver that powers the sound on many Windows 11 systems. Now, let's make sure it's actually turned on. Right-click Realtek Audio and click Enable Device. If you don't see an Enable option, that usually means it's already enabled, which is fine. Enabling tells Windows to start the device so audio can pass through it again. If the device was disabled before, you may notice your system acknowledge the change, and in some cases, audio will immediately return. Next, we'll make sure the driver is current. Right-click Realtek Audio again and select Update Driver. When the update window opens, click Search automatically for drivers. This tells Windows to look for the best available Realtek driver and install it if a newer or more compatible version is found. The process might take a minute, and you'll see a status indicator while it checks. If a driver is installed, you'll get a confirmation. If Windows reports that the best drivers are already installed, that simply means you're up to date and can proceed. When the search completes, close the update window and then close Device Manager. At this point, your Realtek device is enabled and verified with the latest driver Windows can provide, which resolves most no-sound problems on Windows 11 tied to Realtek. If your audio returns, you're all set. If you don't see Realtek in the list, it may appear under a slightly different name or be managed by your device manufacturer. But the steps you followed here are the right foundation for bringing your sound back.